So here at the end of the reading, you have some charts. And what you're going to be doing over and over again and again in this class and in English on 1A and in other college classes is report and talk about what another writer says in something you have read. And these are examples of how you do it. You can do it either here you're seeing it done with paraphrase and citation of the source. Down here you're seeing direct quotation of the exact words and citation of the source. You can do it either way. Here it's not exact words, it's your words, but you cite the source for the information. Here you have the exact words and you're citing the source of them. Good writing tends to use more paraphrase than exact quotation. And what you need to do is on your own study these charts for the examples and see what's happening. Look at the verb tenses, look at the punctuation. This dot 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 means that some part of the quotation has been left out. Okay. And you just need to take time and study and look at this. Okay. And here are examples of how to use, for example, for instance, one instance of this. And just take time, study these charts and look at the examples. And then your job is to do something similar with a general statement and supporting information. Okay, then for homework, after you've studied these charts and examples, then you have to write 5 examples of your own in which you report a general statement and supporting information from the reading. And for example, I'll do one. I'm going to take this instance. I'm just going to copy it here so I can work with it. Okay, just so this is just copied off of the text, because then I'm going to go back and work with this. This is the piece of text I'm going to report about. This is the information I want to write about and cite. Okay. And here's my general statement. In South Africa, Benson and Hedges have started to produce advertisements which feature young black women. Okay, there's the general statement. Benson and Hedges is a cigarette company. And I'm going to make a general statement and do a paraphrase here. One major cigarette company now advertises to young black women in South Africa. Okay, and that's a paraphrase of that first sentence in that paragraph. And then I can put my citation at the end. Last names of the authors. That's how you punctuate it. Okay. And the supporting information can begin, for example, ads show young women. Okay, let's get the example of what they actually show. And here, just to show how you can do it with a quotation, I'm going to just take this whole thing and copy it. These here, I'm copying exact words, so I'm going to use a quotation. And I'm going to take out words to make it make sense. So I have my quotation mark and dot, dot, dot. I left something out. I'm going to take some of that. In there. And here. And then again, okay, so here's an example of a general statement with a paraphrase supporting information with a quotation. You can do it the other way around. I mean, you can do this one with either a paraphrase or a quotation. You can do this one with either a paraphrase or a quotation. But you need to look at the article and find 5 examples where you can do this for the homework. And the purpose of all this is to understand how to do a lot of the writing that is in a research paper, because this is the basic job, is to read something, get information, and then talk about it and report on it in your own writing.